This is Spider-Man and he just moved into his new house. But there is a bit of a problem. There is no bathroom. So I decided to build one starting with a little basin. Somewhere to brush his teeth. Here is little cup and toothbrush. It's time to brush those superhero teeth. Teeth are brushed and squeaky clean. Now it's time to build a shower. Every superhero needs one after a long day of web slinging. I've installed a very unique shower door design, perfect for those extra steamy showers. Let's add shower head. And it's ready. Get in, Spidey. I will place a bath mat here for those extra wet feet. After a refreshing shower, it's time for a quick toilet break. Because even superheroes need one and can't hold in for too long. And here is a plunger, just in case. After a quick toilet break, Spidey is ready for a nice bubble bath. I hope it's deep enough. Let's add a tap and fill it up with water. Spidey deserves a proper soak. Ah, this is so relaxing. So, what do you think of my plumbing skills and bathroom design? It looks like Spidey will spend the rest of today relaxing in his bath. I will be back soon with something new.